Consumers love click and collect, but retailers are falling short. Click and collect is all the rage in many parts of retail and hospitality. The ability to order ahead and come in on your own schedule to pick up items without waiting in line appeals to many of us time-starved consumers. According to research from IHL Group, click and collect is a popular choice for online orders for all age demographics below age 60, but it's specifically popular among Gen Z, with 30% of their online orders designated for same-day store pickup. As retailers target Gen Z and millennial consumers, it's important that click and collect is offered and executed properly. And this is where things are breaking down today in the minds of consumers. The top 2 complaints about click and collect purchases are that the order is not ready at the time promised for pickup, or when they show up, there's no employee to help. Instead of click and collect, they often experience click and fail. This is very frustrating for that consumer that bothered to order ahead because they were short on time in the first place. Despite their efforts to order ahead, Gen Z consumers report that 1 in 5 orders is not ready for pickup when they show up. And millennials report the same problem in 1 in 6 orders. If retailers truly want to expand their business among Gen Z and millennial consumers, proper staffing and on-time orders will be the keys to success, generating return customers. Until next time, I'm Kelly Sayre. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss future videos. Thanks.